Experiencing login problems with T-Mobile? You're not alone. Many users face issues with the website and app, often due to app updates, server problems, or security enhancements. If your T-Mobile login isn't working, start with the basics. First, check T-Mobile's status page for any reported outages. The T-Mobile digital outage in late August 2025 impacted millions. If there's no outage, clear the app's cache and data. Update the app to the latest version, currently 12.5.1, as of September 10, 2025. Or try a different network. For website issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies and ensure your browser is up to date. Also, confirm you are using the correct email, username, and password. Password mismatches account for 40% of support tickets. This is the quickest fix. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, focus on password solutions. Reset your password through email or SMS to regain access. Start by resetting your password through the T-Mobile website or app. Choose email or SMS verification. If reset emails are delayed, check your spam or junk folder immediately. Security updates like mandatory two-factor authentication, introduced in 2024, can temporarily disrupt login. Enable 2FA after reset for better security. After logging back in, enable biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID for smoother future logins. For prevention, use strong, unique passwords managed by a password manager to avoid future issues. Keep the app updated to avoid compatibility problems. T-Mobile is adopting AI-driven authentication by 2026 to resolve issues proactively. If issues persist, contact T-Mobile support for account verification and back-end resets. Also, try logging in on a second device.